Hi, I'm Katie with SHEFIT, and this is a moment of calm. Here at SHEFIT, we are all about support. So we've created 12 episodes of yoga and tips on how to break and find that little moment of calm in your day. Today, we're going to look at backbends. So lie down on your back. Set your feet up about hips width distance apart. Ground into your feet. Take a large breath in. Blow all that air out. And then press up into a bridge. Lift your hips. Just start to walk your shoulders underneath you. The idea here is to puff up your chest to your chin, not crunch your chin to your chest. Get those shoulder blades underneath you. You can interlace your hands if that's comfortable. Keep breathing, breathing, breathing. Big, full, complete rounds of breath. You can push into the backs of your arms, get a little bit bigger press, puffing up into your chest. Stay here just for a couple more. Good, take one more breath in. Come all the way down, nice and slow. Bring your knees together, create that neutrality in your low back. Round 2, you have an option to stay with bridge. That's an awesome choice. Or if you want a little bit more of a challenge, take both hands up as if you're gonna high five the ceiling. And then set your hands down, right alongside your ears, fingers facing the front of your mat. This is even perfect to practice this setup. Breathe in all the way, and then blow all that air out. Press up just to the top of your head to start, and then use your legs, full wheel. Keep breathing. You can play with walking your feet a little closer, taking them a little farther apart. Breathe in, blow it all out. Get one more solid breath here. Come on down nice and slow. Again, bring your knees together. Feet wide. Feel your breath. Round 3, here we go. Bridge or wheel. Feet hips width distance. Inhale and exhale. If you're coming up into wheel, high five the ceiling. Set your fingers alongside your ears. Take a big breath. Blow all of it out, get ready. Use your legs. Come on up. Really expand into the pose. You can stay in wheel or you can work to walk your feet together. Take one leg up. You can switch it out. You can do that in bridge as well. Get one more really big breath here. Come on down. Reclined butterfly. Soles of your feet wide, together, knees wide. One hand to your heart, one hand to your belly. This is a nice reminder. Like when you're feeling your breath underneath your heart, underneath your belly, it's good to remember to trust your heart and your guts, to listen to your heart and your guts. Bring your knees together, slowly roll to one side. Press yourself all the way up. Notice how that feels. Bring your hands together. In support of each other, together we say, Namaste. Thanks for watching. I'm Katie with SHEFIT, and this is a moment of calm.